For more on this story, we can go across to France 24. Sam Bradby standing by in Cape Town for us. Sam, what's the latest where you are?
Well, as you just heard, President Jacob Zuma there receiving a sentence for 15 months in jail. This is for repeated contempt of court, specifically related to something called the Zondo Commission, which is a kind of wide-reaching inquiry set up to investigate allegations of corruption, really, from Jacob Zuma's time as South African president, something which is widely referred to here in South Africa as state capture. That's the private capture, the capture by private organisations of the key functions of the state. Those are what most of these charges relate to. And essentially, President Zuma ex-President Zuma has been playing cat and mouse with the country's prosecution authorities for years now. And after repeatedly failing to turn up to court, the Zondo Commission asked the Constitutional Court to put out, to mandate him, really, to appear in front of the judge. He never did, and that's why we're seeing this sentence passed down today.
And Sam, what are the chances that Jacob Zuma will ever see the inside of a jail cell?
I would say the chances are fairly limited, it must be said. As I already mentioned, Jacob Zuma has been playing this game of cat and mouse with South Africa's justice system for years now. He's faced arrest warrants in the past, again, without ever actually going to jail. And it's worth remembering as well that he remains a fairly popular figure within South Africa today. When you speak to some Zuma supporters, they'll say, well, he's an old man now. They see this trial, they see the inquiry into his activities as president as politically motivated. Zuma retains a lot of support within the ANC to this day. And so, to be honest with you, it looks pretty unlikely that he will ever actually face the inside of a jail cell. And the longer that he can actually prolong these proceedings, the older he will get, of course. And I think that only plays in his favour.
Sam, thank you very much for that. Sam Bradby supporting there for us from Cape Town.